Welcome to the new episode of Tech Insiders. More rumors about the flagship Pixel 8 Pro smartphone was unexpectedly replenished by Google itself. On the official website of the company, insiders found a 3D simulator with a detailed 360-degree image of the future novelty. Google has not officially presented the design of the new Pixel yet, but one of the tech bloggers guessed to simply change the URL by writing the name of the Pixel 8 Pro model manually, thanks to which he was able to launch the preview page of the future novelty. In the screenshots that have been distributed online, the smartphone is presented in black, blue, and gray colors. In general, it has retained the design of its predecessor. On its back side, here is also a projection of the main camera with 3 camera modules and a temperature sensor, as well as an LED flash. The gadget has one front camera, and its sensor is located at the top in the center of the display. Also, the network has information about the cost of the new Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro. Two reliable sources, at once the French edition of Dealabs and the British magazine Hot UK Deals, said that the new gadgets, which are less than a month away from the presentation, will be significantly more expensive than last year's models. According to sources, new items will be offered in France at the following prices. It's €799 for the younger version of a regular Pixel on 128GB and up to €1299 for a Pixel 8 Pro with 512GB of memory. If the information is confirmed, then the new generation of Pixels will indeed be significantly more expensive than last year's models. For comparison, in the same France, the Pixel 7 costs from €649, and the Pixel 7 Pro costs from €899, which means an increase of €150 and €200 respectively. The presentation of the Google Pixel 8 smartphone series is scheduled for October 4th.